Thank you for purchasing an Intex Spa. Your family will enjoy a new dimension of fun, sharing, and relaxation. As the owner of the spa, you need to be aware of the risks associated with this type of equipment. There is a risk of accidental drowning, and extreme caution must be exercised to prevent unauthorized access by children. To avoid accidents, ensure that children cannot use the spa unless they are closely supervised at all times. There is a risk of hair and body suction entrapment, requiring special attention to proper use of the suction outlets and pump. There is also the risk of injury and electrical shock, requiring specific safety precautions such as GFCI RCD protection, maintaining the proper distance from electrical appliances, etc. Read the manual carefully for full details on necessary precautions and to understand and avoid these risks. It is very important to follow all the warnings and safety guidelines. Your Pure Spa may be set up outdoors or inside. It must be set up on a level area, free of obstructions. Setup must be at least 6 feet from the electrical outlet. Read your manual for information, which will help make your spa installation safe and convenient. If setting up outside, check local and state safety regulations. Move the spa without dragging to your selected area and lay out all the parts to become familiar with the equipment.
The spa draws a minimum of 13 amps. Most household circuits are 13 to 16 amps. If the circuit breaker trips, please check that no other appliances or other large loads are on the same circuit as the spa. The electrical cord must be able to reach a GFCI or RCD protected electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Unfold the line cord prior to use. Never place the plug on combustible materials.
Plug into a grounded GFCI RCD protected electrical outlet and follow the instructions in the manual to test the equipment using the GFCI or RCD buttons on the cord. Do not use the spa if the GFCI RCD is not functioning properly. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been identified and corrected. Contact a qualified electrician to correct the fault.
Push the lever down to tilt up the control panel and flip up the panel cover. To stow the control panel back, push the button located on the back inward while pushing the control panel down.
Spread the insulated ground pad over the cleared area. Lay out the spa over the ground pad with the drain valve pointed in a suitable direction for drainage.
Flip up the control base side cover to reveal the air blower inflation outlet. Pull the latch to open the cover. Insert the hose adapter with hose and reattach the latch to the hose adapter to secure it in place. From outside the spa, unscrew the air valve cap on the spa tub, leaving the stem in the up position for inflation.
Insert the other end of the inflation hose into the valve and turn it clockwise to lock in position.
Press the power button to turn on the control panel button first. Press the bubble button to inflate the spa tub wall for 8 to 10 minutes until it is firm to the touch but not hard.
The bubble button should be pushed again to stop inflation. Do not overinflate or use high-pressure air. Disconnect the hose from the air valve.
If overinflated, release some air by pressing the air pressure release valve core. If more air is needed, repeat previous steps. Replace the air valve cap, but do not force it closed. Next, inflate the spa cover air bladder. Open the inflation valve and insert the inflation hose into the valve. press the bubble button to inflate it until it is firm to touch, but not hard. Disconnect the inflation hose and close the inflation valve. Connect the spa control unit to the spa tub. Hand tighten the connectors securely. Do not use tools to over-tighten. Replace the control base side covers.
Attach the filter cartridge housing assembly, items 12, 13, and 14, to the outlet grid marked C on the tub wall. Before filling the spa, ensure that the bottom drain caps are securely closed inside and out. Fill the spa with fresh water from a garden hose to a level between minimum and maximum, marked on the inside of the spa wall. Never pour water hotter than 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit directly into the spa. It is recommended to fill the spa with lukewarm water for quick heating and energy saving. The control panel displays the temperature in either Celsius, which is the default, or Fahrenheit. Press the Celsius/Fahrenheit button to choose between them.
Activate the heating and filter systems by pressing the flame button. The flame red light will turn on and the filtration system will start. Press either of the up or down buttons to adjust the temperature. The light will change to green when the set temperature is reached, and the heater will be at rest. When the heating system stops, the filtration system will continue circulating water non-stop, unless manually turned off. If the heating system is reactivated, the filter pump will restart at the same time.
When the spa is being used regularly, you may find it cost-effective to keep the heater on at a moderate temperature between uses. The bubble light comes on when activated. The bubble function turns off automatically after 30 minutes. Do not run the bubble feature with a cover in place. It can cause irreparable damage and bodily harm. The display will also flash an LED code if a problem is detected. It is advisable to become familiar with these codes. See the owner's manual for further details. Before entering the spa, the user should measure the temperature of the water with an accurate thermometer, since the tolerance of water regulating devices varies. The water in your spa should never exceed 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures between 38 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and 40 degrees Celsius are considered safe for healthy adults. Use lower temperatures for soaks of more than 10 minutes and for children. Never use the spa alone or allow others to use the spa alone. Pregnant and possibly pregnant women should consult a physician before using the spa. There is a high risk of fetal damage from excessive water temperatures during the early months of pregnancy. Use should not exceed 10 minutes and water temperatures should not exceed 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications may lead to unconsciousness and drowning. Persons using medications should consult a physician before using the spa, since some medications induce drowsiness. Obese persons and those with a history of heart disease, low or high blood pressure, and circulation and diabetes should consult a physician before use. Exit the spa immediately if you become uncomfortable, dizzy, or sleepy. Spa heat can cause hyperthermia and unconsciousness. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications can greatly increase the risk of hyperthermia. Hyperthermia effects include failure to perceive heat, unawareness of the impending hazard, and the need to exit the spa. Always unplug the spa for servicing or maintenance procedures. Maintaining the proper chemical balance in the spa is very important for spa life and safe water. Follow the chemical maker's instructions to avoid hazards. Do not add chemicals when the spa is occupied. Add chemicals separately to the spa. Turn on the bubbler to help dissolve the chemicals. Use the included floating dispenser to add chlorine. Maintain the spa pH level between 7.2 and 7.8 ppm, alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, and free chlorine from 3 to 5 ppm. See the test strip package for instructions. Change the filter every week. And spa water every 2 to 3 months. Refer to the maintenance section in the owner's manual for details. When the spa is not being used, always place the spa cover bladder over the spa to avoid potentially dangerous situations and to keep children out of the spa when supervision is not available.
To secure the spa, pull the buckle straps tight. Always attach the spa cover and lock the buckles when the spa is not in use. Each buckle is marked with locked and unlocked symbols for easy operation. Put the key into the slot on the buckle and turn in the appropriate position to lock or unlock the buckle respectively. Always keep the keys out of the reach of children.
Maintain a safe spa and enjoy years of happy use.